How many times have you looked at your vehicle inside and out and really looked at it and said, wow, that's a really clean car? Not. I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. First, I want to thank my daughter Stephanie for giving me a break last week, but I'm back. Now that we determine your vehicle needs more than just a bath, which I confess my vehicle does too, it needs detailing. Having your vehicle detailed means going beyond just the vacuuming and washing of the exterior. When you get your vehicle detailed, special care is taken to both the inside and the out, which we know we would like sometimes too. With regards to the inside of your vehicle, your carpets are not just vacuumed, but they are steam cleaned to remove any stains, odors, and germs. But who wants to admit that they have that in their carpets? We won't tell. Many areas are hard to reach with a vacuum, so an air compressor may be used. Now, all the leather in the inside of the vehicle, special care is taken with a leather cleaner, and a leather conditioner may be applied to those areas that are dry. Sounds like doing my hair. Of course, don't forget the glass and mirrors need to be cleaned with a glass cleaner so that they sparkle. For your exterior, much care is given to help restore the vehicle to its original luster. Of course, that doesn't mean all those dents and scratches will be repaired, but it does mean that care is given to the paint with polishing and sealing after that hand washing of the vehicle. Over time, your vehicle loses its luster from natural elements like dirt and debris. So it's important to have the vehicle polished and have that sealant or wax applied to help protect your paint. Some attention can be given to your headlights because a lot of times the lenses, they dull over time. Remember, the benefits of auto detailing are keeping your vehicle looking fresh and new, removing any debris that over time can damage the paint, and help maintain the value of your vehicle. And most importantly, you look good driving down the road in your shiny, clean vehicle. Thank you for watching, and check out our new video every Wednesday at 12:30 from such subjects as what you can do to prevent accidents or what's the purpose of your shocks and struts. See you next week, same time, same place. Thank you.